In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Tacx trainer to Zwift with an easy step-by-step guide. This lets you enjoy interactive indoor cycling and track your performance. First, make sure your Tacx trainer is plugged in and powered on. Next, open the Zwift app on your computer, phone, or tablet. From the main menu, go to the pairing screen where you connect sensors and trainers. Turn on your Tacx trainer's Bluetooth or ANT Plus connection. For Bluetooth, make sure your device's Bluetooth is on. For ANT Plus, you'll need a compatible USB dongle. In Zwift, look for your Tacx trainer under the Controllable Trainer section and select it. You can also pair your cadence and speed sensors if you have them for more accurate data. Once connected, start your ride and Zwift will control the resistance and show your stats on screen. If your Tacx trainer doesn't show up, try restarting Zwift, moving closer to your device, or checking your trainer's battery. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more cycling tech tutorials.